What's going on YouTube? This is David again from Money School, and today I wanted to talk to you about how you can actually get paid for actually writing articles online. And there's actually websites out there that will actually pay you to write articles, to pay you to write reviews. And all I did is I simply came to Google and I typed in how to get paid to write articles, and you come across websites like this that give you a list of everything. So I just I clicked on this one and I went through, and it gave me a list of all these different websites that will actually pay you to write reviews. Now, as you can see here, it says here, B. Michelle Pippin pays $50 to $150 for business-related articles. Now you might be thinking, oh, I don't know anything about business, or if they want you to write about coaching or hacking, luck, or all these different ones. But it doesn't really matter, because what I'm going to show you now, not many people know about, but in a couple of years' time, everyone's going to be using it. But if you get in now, and I'm actually doing this myself, you can make yourself a lot of money with this. And that's with a site called Jarvis.ai. And what this is an artificial intelligence what automatically writes articles for you. It writes emails, it writes copy for Facebook ads. And if you see, it says here, what is Jarvis? Artificial intelligence. And it says, we consulted with the world's best SEO and direct response marketing experts to teach Jarvis how to write blog articles, social media posts, and more. And all you simply do, so if they wanted an article about business, you could spend 5 minutes researching what people write about on these websites, and all you would have to do is come to Jarvis, and here it says create original content that ranks for SEO. And all you would do is you type into Jarvis, like, write me an article about business to do with such and such, and it'll write you out a 500-page article or a 1,000-page article. And all you have to do is quickly run through and edit it. And it's like it shows you here, look, finish your first draft 2 to 5 times faster. Speed up your content pipeline by writing 80% by Jarvis. Now, if you think about all the ways online and all the websites online that are wanting articles written, or if you go onto freelancing websites like Freelancer or Upwork or People Per Hour, all wanting content written for the websites, and you see, you're getting this knowledge from me before anybody else even knows about this. And the good thing is I'll leave the link in the description for you, because you can actually have a 5-day free trial with this, and you'll actually get 10,000 words free. So you could go and make money with Jarvis before you even need to actually sign up. So you think about, you could go to 5 websites and write 10 500-word articles, and then you could go onto the freelance websites and do another 10 articles at 500 words at a time. Or, to be honest with you, if it was me, I would go to the freelance websites and I would write 20 500-word articles for 20 different people. And you think about, if they're paying $50 to $100 per article, that's $2,000 that you made straight away before you even need to start paying for Jarvis. But there's other things that it does for you as well. It writes emails. It actually even writes ebooks for you. So if you've got writer's block and you can't think of any content to do for an ebook, I mean, there's people out there who are charging a lot of money to teach you how to create ebooks and put them on Kindle. And people are writing these ebooks for the people. Like if you go to Fiverr, you can get somebody to write you an ebook, pay them, but you don't even need to do that anymore, because Jarvis will do everything for you. break through the language barrier. No matter your native tongue, you can write creatively and clearly in 25 different languages. So you can create things in different languages as well. It's unbelievable, this. But like I say, in a couple of years' time, everyone's going to know about this. So if you get in now, please don't just watch the video and then take no action. Go and use your free trial. Go and use your 10,000 words and give it a bash, guys. You know, you'll never know until you try it. Now, I have a Facebook group. I'll leave the link in the description. And if you've any questions, either leave a comment or come and join my Facebook group. Any questions, ask me in there and I'll let you know. Okay, that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow, everybody.